Up next, what happens to your human hardwiring when you experience sudden change? If there's one thing that's constant today, it's that the business landscape is in perpetual state of flux. Now, some changes can be a little bit more jarring than others, like the sudden shift to moving your workforce to remote working, like everybody has had to do over the last year, the passing of key employees, unexpected resignations of multiple employees, or even the crash of your phone or your computer system right before the big launch of a new product. As a leader, it's important to know one key element about powerfully navigating unexpected change. Sudden, significant change will automatically amplify your human wiring. The reality is, everyone's unique mix of wiring is distinct, and as a leader, you can skillfully and artfully navigate any kind of change with greater ease when you keep in mind human wiring. Now, your human wiring is something you're born with. It dictates the type of environment in which you best are equipped to thrive and succeed, and the kind of environment that you prefer to live and work. Now, with the knowledge of someone's wiring, you can recognize, you can appreciate what matters to them and how they need to receive their communication. Now, there'll be individuals naturally wired to put their thumbprint on the change, be concerned with the results or the outcomes of the change. Others will want to be able to voice their concerns. And still others want to know the next steps, or they want to nurture those impacted by the change. And some are wired that they want the certainty. They want to know the who, the what, the where, and the whys of the change. Now, as a leader, how you show up and address each of these wiring needs can mean the difference between getting stuck in a rut or causing your team to skillfully navigate the change with grace. Now, the words you choose, the methods of conveying the messages, and the pace at which you implement matter in effectively moving your organization ahead. Different situations require different tools. And when you increase your personal awareness of human wiring, you increase your communication effectiveness and lead with grace and ease, regardless of the circumstances. If you want fresh ideas in leading change, you can download our human wiring infographic at acceleratassociates.com/hardwiring. I'm Lisa Minetti. Until next week, create a great life. Bye now.